Hello everybody! Today we'll be making oha soup and I am super excited about this one. For our ingredients, we'll have stockfish and dry fish, goat's meat and assorted, uziza leaf, pepper, crayfish, palm oil, black pepper, pomo, uziza seed, achi, that'll be our soup thickener, seasoning, cocoyam, oha leaves, and ogiri. I bought ogiri wrapped in leaves and they all turned out bad. So I advise you always go for the ones wrapped in foil like this. So I'll start by cooking the cocoyam, and while it's cooking, I'll season the goat meat and assorted with pepper, seasoning cube, and salt. And I'll cover and allow it to cook. After cooking for about 12 minutes, I'll take out the goat meat and liver. The towel takes longer time to cook, so I'll leave them in the pot to continue cooking. To start making the soup, I'll add more water. And I'm also going in with the stockfish and pomo. And dry fish. I'll also add seasoning, black pepper for some extra heat, the blended uziza seed, and crayfish. The palm oil I'm adding here is not much because I'll be adding palm oil to the cocoyam later. The cocoyam is cooked. Next, I'll peel off the skin and pound. After pounding it smooth, I'll add palm oil and achi and mix it all together. I like to add achi to the cocoyam because it helps to properly bind the soup and it gives it a nice and creamy consistency. So next, I'll scoop the cocoyam into the pot and give it time to melt. While it's cooking, I'll prep the oha leaves. By now you can tell that this was really easy to make, yeah? So you will know it's ready when the cocoyam is all properly melted like this. And my soup is almost ready, so I'll add back the goat meat and liver. At this stage, you can add a variety of leaves, but we are making oha soup. So yeah, we'll be adding oha leaves today and uziza leaf. Then we'll stir until it's all properly combined and our delicious oha soup is ready. See how easy it was making this goodness. Please Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to always catch up on our delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you on our next post.